Hey there, my name is Dan. I'm from Michigan and I help people earn extra income online. Okay, so I want to show you how I made $1,000 in like 2 hours. All right. And I just want you to know that if I can do this, so can you, because I just followed a blueprint. Okay, I followed a program and I just followed step-by-step instructions, which led to me making $1,000 in 2 hours. Okay, so how does this work? This is digital marketing. What I do is I promote four done-for-you digital products for 100% profit. Okay, so let me show you how that works. So if you want to start making $900 a day or more, like I had made $1,000. So if you want to make $900 a day, what you want to do is promote done for you digital products. Okay. I promote four done for you digital products. Done for you means you don't have to create anything. They're already done for you. All right. Four done for you digital products for 100% profit. So I have there's four different programs that I promote. The Legacy Builder, that's $900. Digital Mastery is 600. The Passive Daily Pay Blueprint, that is 300, and a Launchpad is $100. Okay, these are high demand digital products, and these products show you how to start a successful online business, how to earn extra income online, how to build an email list, how to go from 0 to 6 figures in 6 months, how to attract your perfect customer, how to build recurring income streams, and so many more things. Mindset training, wealth training, business training. That's what this program's all about. And it's also an interactive program. So when you join this program, you also get access to our community of over 20,000 people. And we have live interactive mentoring from 6 and 7 figure income earners 2 to 3 times a week to help you hit your income goals. Okay. So once you have your product that you can promote for 100% profit, step number 2, you need an automated system. So this is what helped me make $1,000 in 2 hours. Okay. So an automated system, that just means a capture page. Someone goes here, they click on your link, they go to your capture page, they're going to put in their email, and it's going to take them immediately to a thank you page. They're going to get more information, and they'll go to a sales page. If they're ready to buy, they'll buy from you right then and there. Okay. If they're not ready to buy, they're going to get emails sent out to them on automation. All right. This is all automated. They're also going to get another video inside of the emails that will give them more information, because people usually buy once they have more information. And the emails are going to follow up with them because the fortune's in the follow-up, right? People generally don't buy until they've been exposed to something like 7 or 12 times. Okay. So this is all automated. This is working for you. As soon as someone puts in their email, you're going to be building your email list. And once they're inside of your automations, they can buy from you at any time. Okay. So once that is set up, you need a way for people to discover your business, to discover your link, to discover your automations. So we show you how to post free ads on high traffic websites. Okay, it takes about 30 minutes a day. And we show you how to create 3 pieces of content, which you post on social media to attract your perfect customer, which is going to lead them back to your link. They're going to click on your link. They're going to put in their email. They're going to be part of your automations. Okay, so that's how you make $900 a day or more, right? And what you can also do is also go live, and then you just reply to emails and reply to comments. So the first thing I do, step 1 for me making $1,000 in 2 hours. Okay, the first step I did, I had to get started with this program, right? And I had to set up my automated business, which looks like this. Let me just show you what that automated business looks like. Okay, because we get a pre-built, done for you automated business. Anyone who joins this program, they get to use this same automated business. All right, it's going to look like this. This is a capture page. Okay, so someone's going to put in their email. Step 1, right? Discover the blueprint to earning $900 a day following a 2-hour workday. So that's step 1. Step 2, we're going to go to this thank you page. Okay, they're going to get more information. Why am I showing you this? Why am I telling you this? Because this is how I made $1,000, because someone purchased one of my products through this automation, through these pages. Okay, these pages are what made me that $1,000, right? So that's step 2. They're going to get this thank you page. They get immediate access to this thank you page, and say they're ready to buy. And they're going to go here. Yes, I'm ready to have a successful online business. So then they'll go here. And this is how I made $1,000, because someone went to my webpage, my website. So you're going to get, when you join this program, you get these same pages. These are pre-built for you. All you have to do is follow the videos to figure out which shows you how to put in your information. So you put all your information in these pages, and these pages are going to be working for you 24/7. You can set this all up in less than a day, which was my first step to making $1,000 because I took the time to set up these pages. You can set this all up in less than a day. Once it's set up, it's ready to go. And these pages are working for you 24/7. So you can make money while you're sleeping and doing the things that you love. All right. So someone went to my website, they checked it out, they liked what they saw. Okay, they went down here. So how do you get started? Follow the simple 3-step system to start making 100% profits. Step 1, get started. Purchase one of the digital programs that best fit your goals and needs. You'll get instant access to your program and your step-by-step digital training in our amazing community. Step 2, learn how to launch your daily paid business. Step 3, start earning passive income online. So someone went to my website, you can see. So this website, we've made over 5 million in sales in 50 days. Right now, we're over 7 million in sales, I think in 60 days. So it's a high converting website. That's what you need to earn extra income online, okay? Especially when it comes to automation. If you want to make money while you're sleeping and doing the things that you love, you need to send traffic, you need to send people to your website and then to your system, and you need a high converting system. So we have a high converting system, okay? Basically 1 out of 20 people, when they come here, they're buying. That's the statistics. But some people have better. Some people have 1 out of 10, 1 out of 5. But in general, 1 out of 20 people are buying immediately when they come to this website. Okay, so we have a step-by-step program to learn how to make $900 passive daily pay. So what happened is someone basically I made this money because I was on a live, okay? One of the strategies we teach you is to go live on social media. So that's how I made it in 2 hours. That's how I made $1,000 in 2 hours, because I went live on TikTok and I just shared this program with people. I told people about this program, okay? And after going live, immediately once my live was over, I had a payment for 100 and I had a payment for 900, okay? Which means one person bought the Legacy Builder program, okay? And this just shows you what's inside of the products. Like, this is our program. This is what our products include, okay? We have products that show you basically, like, our whole system is just like here. This is what our system is. Let me just show you. Where's a good description? Yeah, so dun, dun, dun. Oh, anyways, where was it at? Yeah. Anyways, forget that. Oh yeah, here it is. So Legacy Builders program includes everything you need to have a successful online business. That's what's included in this program, giving you everything you need to have a successful online business. The person who created this program, she's $1 million earner. She made over $1 million in 1.7 months, and she's on her way to making her next million, okay? So she is giving you everything that you need. She breaks it down for you step by step, what you need to have a successful online business. That's what our program is all about. So the Legacy Builder programs includes everything you need to have a successful online business, plus live interactive mentoring, so you are never alone on your journey. We have live interactive mentoring from 6- and 7-figure income earners 2 to 3 times a week inside of our community to help you grow your business. So that's what happened. I went live. I explained this program to people, simply show and tell, basically what I'm doing now on my live. And then what happened, so this shows you what's inside of each of the programs. So one person bought the Launchpad from me. One person bought this program from me for 100, right? And the Launchpad just shows you launch kit for your business, how to automate your online business, how to set up your social media, how to post free ads, how to grow a following. And then one person bought me the Legacy Builder from me. And when you purchase the Legacy Builder, you actually get all 4, okay? You get all 4 programs. All 4 programs are included in the Legacy Builder, which also means you get 4 different income streams, because this is master resale rights. You purchase a program one time and you have the resale rights to that program, so you can sell it over and over again for 100% profit. So that's how I made $1,000 in like 2 hours from my live. So one person, she purchased this Legacy Builder from me, and one person purchased the Launchpad. So they went here, they went to the website, and they purchased the $900 program, and I got paid $900, 100% profit. And then one person went here and she bought the Launchpad for 100. So I made $100 profit, which means I made $1,000 in 2 hours, just because I went live and shared this program with people, showed them what's inside of the program. They liked what they saw and they made a purchase. Okay. So a lot of people are having success just by going live, right? Let me just stop the share. So a lot of people are having success and making like, serious income. And all they do is create 3 pieces of content and they go live on like TikTok. Okay. That's all they do. Like Victoria, she's made over $300,000 doing this. I know it works because I tested it because I had $1,000 day the other day just by going live, just talking about the business with people, answering people's questions, showing them around, showing them the website, showing them what we do. That's how I made $1,000 in 2 hours. Okay. And I'm super excited about that. So now I plan to make more and more. I'm going to go live consistently, to help people, to share this program with people and help people start a successful online business. So it's a win-win. I made 1,000 and I help someone else start their own successful online business. So everyone gets to win here. Okay. Everyone's winning. All you have to do is take action. Okay. If I can do this, you can do this. Because for me to reach this point where I made $1,000, it started with me just following the steps, right? I just followed the steps in our program. For example, once you get started, you're going to get instant access to your program. And inside of the program, it shows you step by step how to go from 0 to 6 figures in 6 months. So you just literally just follow these steps, get started, how to navigate Kajabi, because our product is inside of Kajabi, just giving you the basics of how everything works, and then goes to your launch kit for your online business, right? The 2-hour workday, how to get your income producing activities done in 2 hours a day, which means copying, pasting ads on high traffic websites, creating 3 pieces of content to attract your perfect customer. And then you can go live. That's how I made 1,000 in 2 hours. And you just reply to emails and reply to comments. And that's it. That's your 2-hour workday. This is where all the income comes from the 2-hour workday. This is how Michelle, who created this program, she's made over $1 million and she follows this 2-hour workday herself. She doesn't work more than 2 to 3 hours a day. And she's making like over $10,000 a day now. She's making a lot, but she started at 0 and she just built herself up. She was just consistent with that 2-hour workday until she hit her income goals. So if you want to earn this kind of income, do the same thing. Just follow the steps, get started, set up your automated business, and work for 2 hours a day until you hit your income goals, because it's a proven process. Michelle's done it. I'm having success doing it. We have people inside of our community who are having success. So the next here's all the steps. Edit your pre-built automated system. Okay. Once your system's set up, you're ready to go. What's next? Create your empire. Set up your social media. Grow a following on social media. How to post ads. That's it. You're ready to go. Once you get that automated business set up, you just work for 2 hours a day, so you can make $900 a day or more. Like look inside our community. And so look inside of our community. And also another cool thing is, let me show you, just our community too. So when you join this program, you also get access to our community. We have over 22,000 people, digital growth community. Our mission to help you build a daily pay customer base digitally. So not only can you promote our program, but you can use the skills that you learn inside of our community to promote any business in the future. So just look at some results people are having. Let me just reload this just to make sure it's up to date. So Jenna made $10,000 in June. Troy, he made 1,800 in his first 6 days. Danielle, 900. Trisha, 1,200 yesterday. Kawan, he's made $27,000 in 10 days, okay, with this program. Because everyone has the same automated system. We all use the same program, okay? We all have access to the same pre-built automated system and the same website, everything. So if they can do it, so can you. If I can do it, so can you. You just got to follow the steps and commit to that 2-hour workday until you hit your income goals, right? Leah had $2,700, made $2,700, 13,000 in 10 days. Okay. Mary, 11K in my first 4 weeks. What a start. She's made 4,300 in June. Jessica, 2,700 while out of service. Bethany, 20,000, right? Teresa, 9,700 in 16 days. So you can just see these are just some wins that we're having. People post their wins daily inside of our community. Okay. So we're having a lot of success here, which is why I joined this program, because I saw all the success that people were having. And I wanted to learn how they were doing it. That's how I got started, right? So that's it. That's how I made $1,000 in 2 hours. The first step was me just starting this business, getting my automated system set up, following the steps, plugging into the training inside of our community, and then following this 2-hour workday, okay? Being consistent with that, which also helps. And then I just went live too, like because the top earners, they teach us if you go live, you can earn a lot of money just by going live, okay? Because that's how you can earn money like fast, because people are going to see your lives. They're going to see it. They're going to get excited. They're going to want to join you right then and there. Like you could jump on a live and make a bunch of sales just from your live, right? That's what I did. I jumped on a live and I made $1,000, and I was on live for like 1 to 2 hours. All right. And that's just one aspect of it. I also have my content out there working for me 24/7. So I can make money from my content 24/7. I'm also posting my ads so I can make money from my ads. All right. We show you multiple ways to build this business so you can earn 100% profits promoting done for you digital programs. So it's really that simple. If you want to know more, just go to my website, go to wealthwithdan.com, wealthwithdan.com. You can find the link in the description on my page, or you just go right here. See, just go to wealthwithdan.com, screenshot that, and you can learn more about this program. Okay. Just check it out. See if it's a fit for you. You have nothing to lose. You can check it out. If you like it, get started. You'll get instant access to everything. If you don't like it, then just unsubscribe from my email list. That's it. Just unsubscribe. You don't have to worry about it. Move on. Try to figure another way out to earn extra income. But for me, this is the best program that I've ever found in my life. It's the first time I've ever made $1,000 and just working 2 hours. Okay. It's the best program I've found because this is so beginner friendly. It's just literally step by step. I know exactly what I did to earn that extra 1K. It's just following the steps and being coachable and showing up for the trainings and implementing what I learned. That's it. I didn't do anything crazy. I just followed the steps and I plugged into the training, and I was coachable enough to listen to what people said and implement it. And that's how I got that result of $1,000 in 2 hours. So if I can do it, I know you can do it. So if you want to get started, just get started. You're going to love the program. You're going to love the computer. You're going to love the community. So I'll see you soon. I'll see you on the next one. All the best.